Navigation menus helps your customers navigate or go through your website and understand the structure of your website, know where to find what. Now in the navigation menu, you can add things like the home page, you can add things like a shop button, you can add different product categories, add a link to your blog, and also add maybe a link to your contact page. Now if you want to create a navigation menu in your Shopify store, then you just need to log into your admin section and head to the content in the left hand side. Now initially it was under online store, but the recent rearrangement of this item has made this change, and it is now under content. Now then you can now go to menus on the left, and then you can create a new menu item and assign it to a certain location. Now I already have this here created, but if I wanted to create a new menu, I just tap on create new menu, and then I can add items. I can add a title. I can just say this is test menu, and then I can choose to add items. So let's say for instance I wanted to add collection, so I'll just say something like headphones for instance, and then I can search or paste a link. So here I want to search collections, and in this collection I want to look for headphones, so I can choose something like headphones, and then I will save this. So once I've saved this, I can add sub menus. Now sub menus will appear under this menu here. So if I say add just another menu item and call this earphones for instance, then I can search link and go to collections and choose earphone. So I can take like earbuds and earphones. Now I can drag this and reposition it so it appears under that there, like that, so that it will be a sub of this. So you notice that now this is a sub menu of this. So I can still add subs here, or I can add a new menu. So let's discard this and go to already created menus and see how they appear. So let's take for instance the main menu. So in the main menu we have this as the main item. So we have home, products, laptops, and all that. So if you go to the live site, you notice this is what I'm talking about. So let me remove this so you can see that clearly. Home products, laptop parts, phone accessories. So the same is as it is here. Now if I want to add another menu item to this so that it reflects on the other side, I can just say something like about us, and then I can choose a link here and go to pages, because about is pages. So then I'll choose about us, then I'll just say save. Now this is going to appear as an entirely new menu item because I've not made it a sub of any. So let's just try that and check it out. So if I come to this site and refresh, right now our last item is contact us. If I refresh that, you'll notice the about us appearing right there. So you see we have the about menu item. If I want to make it a sub of contact, I just go back to my setup here and just drag it slightly and make it a sub of contact us. Then I can save this, and hopefully this time round it doesn't take too long to reflect. So you have to give it a bit of time. Usually it will be a sub of that. Now look at this, it is now already a sub of contact us, like we had done on the other end. So it means you have to just hover over this and then you have the contact. The same applies with these other ones. You just hover and then you see the sub item. So if you click on this for instance, the sub item, it will take you to the page where you have done this. Now for products, you'll have to like create collections and organize them. We'll have a video on how to create ranking and properly optimized product collections in Shopify. So basically that's how you create your menu, and you can usually like decide where you place these menus here. Let's maybe look at how to assign these menus. This is my main menu. How do I ensure that I have assigned this menu here? So to do that, I'm just going to go to the online store, and then I'm going to click on customize to customize the store or the home page. Then in this section here, let's say I want to edit the header. If I take this here, you'll notice that I have I want to edit this header. So in the header I have the logo, I have the menu item. So you notice I have like selected. So if I go through this here, I can edit or replace, and if I say replace, now I'll have all the menu options that I had on this side. So to confirm this, you see we have customer service, information, and partner websites. So we can see that here in this it was in the other setup, but we have other menu items down here. We have customer service, partner websites, and all that. So you can edit the menu item that you need to add in this section. So that is for the menu items. You can do the same for the footer. Like if you're in the customizer, you can easily add edit the items in the footer. So if I click on this, you notice that in the footer I have 3 different menu items that are listed there. So I go to this menu, I can edit it, I can select the menu and change or remove or edit. So basically that's how you create menu items for your Shopify store. If you have any further questions on how to do this, or if you need any help on how to do this, ask in the chat below, or you can send me a direct message so I can help you with customizing your Shopify store.